This book is Birds by Carme Lemniscates. And I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, but I certainly hope I am. This one's really pretty. This book is published by Candlewick Studios, and you can borrow it from our library system. Birds come in many different colors, shapes, and personalities. Some birds are really big. I think everybody knows what kind of bird that's supposed to be, right? That's an eagle. Others are tiny. Do you know what that's supposed to be? That is a hummingbird. And in this picture you can see the artist has rendered the hummingbird like this size, but look over here. There's a bumblebee. Not much bigger. Not much smaller, I mean. Some like to show off, while others would rather watch. I think we know what these are too. You can see these at the Philadelphia Zoo. That's a peacock. These are owls. Some birds are very noisy. Others sing a sweet and tender song. Some like to go on long journeys, and others like to stay cozy at home. Most like to build nests from branches, but some prefer a roof over their head. But no matter what, nearly all like to have conversations. Tweet, tweet, calls one. Cheep, cheep, replies another. For every call, there is a response. And it shows people like to have conversations too. A bird's song is like the loving words of a friend. A happy song that greets us every morning. And our hearts sing too, because birds are like good news coming. Or messages of peace. Birds are like thoughts. They come, stay a while, and then fly away. They fly where their hearts call them. Birds are free. They make our imaginations soar. Ooh, look what she's imagining. She's flying on the back of a goose. That's pretty cool. And that's the end.